In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Bitcoin to MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is sign in with your broker. And if your broker does support Bitcoin, you'll be able to add it the way I'm going to show you right now. But if it doesn't, then all you can do is, of course, sign up for a new broker, a different one, which actually does support crypto and Bitcoin and all the other things like that, okay? So let me show you how to check if your current broker supports it. And if it doesn't, then unfortunately you have to sign up for a different one as well. So I'm going to go to File, top left over here. And of course, you want to do open an account and you want to sign into your broker. When you've done this, you want to go to View, and then you want to click on Symbols. Now over here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different things. For me, I have a CFD account from AvaTrade over here, so Ava Demo. As you can see, if I scroll down, here's going to be CFD Crypto. In your case, it may say cryptos, cryptocurrencies, or whatever. You can extend that and find Bitcoin. So for me over here, as you can see, BTC USD is over here. So what I can do is I can just double click on it to show it, or click on it once and click on the show top right and then close. Whenever you do this here on your market watch, which you can enable up here if you don't see it, or press Ctrl and M, if I scroll down, there we go, we have Bitcoin USD, and I can right click and open the chart window, and this is now the chart of Bitcoin, and I've successfully added it to MetaTrader 4. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.